Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Cheryl. Are you looking for the most effective marketing channel to achieve the highest ROI? If that is the case, you gotta choose email marketing. According to Forbes, email marketing still promises to deliver the highest ROI, and you can expect to get $42 back for every dollar you spend. Before we move on, let's look at the importance of email marketing. There are 4 billion daily email users worldwide, and the number is expected to be 4.6 billion by 2025. Nearly 99% of email users check their inboxes every day. There's no doubt that email marketing ensures the largest potential reach of your target audience. From the 2020 AdWeber report, we can learn that 79% of small businesses think email marketing is important to their business strategy. According to a survey, 81% and 80% of professionals, respectively, said email marketing contributes to both customer acquisition and retention. After knowing the statistics above, you're probably eager to develop a good email marketing strategy. Now, let's go through the 7 effective email marketing tips for small business. 7 effective email marketing tips for small business. Number 1. Choose the right email marketing tool. According to HubSpot, these are the popular email marketing tools that small businesses are using. You may choose the one that offers a free trial period to get started. If possible, go and register an account to see how it works and whether it is easy to use. Before you make a purchase, compare the features and pricing of different email marketing tools. Check how many subscribers and emails you can send, as well as their successful delivery rates. All things considered, we choose MailerLite because it offers great value for money. We have been using it for a long time and we are quite satisfied with the tool. Number 2. Use sign-up forms to build your email list. Sign-up forms are an integral part of a website. They consist of input fields and serve as an effective tool to collect personal information such as name, email address, etc. You can embed sign-up forms within a web page, set up pop-up forms to grab visitors' attention, and design attractive landing page forms to emphasize the value you provide. Sign-up forms work great, especially if you have great things to share, such as ebooks, PDF guides, reports, white papers, case studies, templates, and so on. Number 3. Divide subscribers into smaller segments. According to DMA, segmented campaigns can result in a 760 increase in revenue. This is because segmentation is a personalization tactic that helps to deliver more relevant messages to subscribers. Segmentation can effectively increase open rates, click rates, conversions, and general customer satisfaction while decreasing unsubscribes. How can you create segments? You can do this based on subscribers' age, gender, geographic location, profession, interests, purchase records, etc. Number 4. Make an email marketing plan. To keep everything on track, you should create a marketing plan to schedule your email campaigns properly. Determine your goals, sending frequency, and content types. To start with, you may download a free online marketing calendar. Go through each month, adding any dates that might be important to your business, and explore newsletter ideas for new campaigns. In the end, make sure that the plan is easy to follow. It is also important to measure the performance in real time. It is because through analysis, you can find out the best day and time to send emails to your target audience. Number 5. Set up email automation workflows. Email automation can help you reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Once set up, the campaigns can be triggered automatically, which is extremely effective for nurturing leads and driving sales. You should consider at least these 5 types of automation workflows: welcome workflows, thank you workflows, transactional workflows, abandoned cart workflows, and re-engagement workflows. Number 6. Follow the best practices of email design. It is essential to craft a powerful subject line and write an attention-grabbing pre-header to increase open rates. As for the email layout, it is recommended that you adopt the inverted pyramid model to structure the elements of your email campaigns to draw people in and guide their eyes down to your call to action. Besides, incorporate visual content and use a responsive design to improve user experience. Don't forget to add your logo, a link to your website, and social media accounts to increase brand awareness and boost conversions. Number 7. Preview and test every email before you send it. This is the final step. To make a good impression, you should always double-check the content and the deliverability. Preview the email first, and then send test emails to coworkers, friends, or yourself to find out whether there are broken images, incorrect links, misspelling, grammar errors, and so on. It is also important to get your email scanned by major spam filters to ensure deliverability, because everything will be in vain if your email can't get into the inbox. Apart from the above, you can use A/B testing to send 2 variants of the campaign to find out which version can deliver the best results. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow the email marketing tips above to grow your business. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get more useful tips from us. See you next time!